In order to create a slide, you'll have to have created a playlist where it can be assigned. Slides can be added from within a playlist by selecting Add a Slide, or they can be added by selecting Templates from the main top menu. Adding a slide from within a playlist will give you the option to select a template slide or choose from one of your global slides. Under Templates, you'll see a wide variety of slide designs and layouts, all of which can be edited. You can also find specific types of slides in the search drop-down list. Select the design you want, and you'll be taken to that slide's settings page. On the slide settings page, you can choose which playlist or playlists this slide will appear. You also have the option of choosing where within playlists to place the slide. If multiple playlists are chosen, you'll see an option to add global sync to the slide's properties. The default setting for global sync is on, but it can be toggled off if desired. A slide with global sync means that whenever changes are made to the slide, those changes will appear for the slide in every playlist it has been assigned to. Without global sync, the slide can be different for each playlist, and changes to it will only apply in that particular playlist. All slides designated as global can be found under My Global Slides. Certain select slides will have template variations, and the settings pages for these slides will display randomized backgrounds you can experiment with. Once you've adjusted all the settings, select Add to Playlist, and you'll be taken to the Slide Designer screen where you can edit the slide. You can also access the Slide Designer from the drop-down menu for slides that have already been created. In the Slide Designer on the left side of the screen, a list of editing options are available. This list may be different depending upon the content of the slide. Options may include foreground, background, change background, and slide info. You can also click on the Tour button to get an informative walkthrough of the different slide design features. In foreground, you'll be able to change text, as well as the font type, size, color, alignment, and animation style. Some slides will allow you to import and edit pictures and adjust the transitions between multiple pictures. Other slides will allow you to change the effects of a graphic element. Design elements can be altered for weather and newsfeed slides. A slide with a background option will allow you to alter the color, design, and animation of any background imagery. Change background will take you to the background slide switcher where you can select a new style. Under Slide Info, you can change the name of the slide by selecting the pencil icon. You can select more slide settings to view status info as well as add scheduling for the slide. Selecting the eye icon will open a new browser window with a preview page where you can see your slide in action. By copying and pasting the URL for the preview, you can send the slide to other team members for their approval or input. When you're finished editing, you can either save the slide to be published at a later time or publish the slide immediately. Go back to your playlist where the new slide will appear. Here you can rearrange the order of your slides by dragging them to the positions you desire. You can also see whether the slide is published, a green check mark, unpublished, a gray exclamation point, or has global sync, a green or gray earth icon. A slide that has been scheduled will have a clock icon present. Also, any saved drafts will be indicated as such. By clicking on the Draft button, you can view the draft version or the current version of the slide, as well as discard the draft. If you are a publisher or administrator, you have the additional option to approve the draft. Editing changes and other management options can be altered from the drop-down list on each slide.